few tips on how to repot my dragon fruit plant. So we're gonna see how this works out. This is the plant I'm talking about here. It's gotten a lot bigger since I planted the seeds that I got out of a dragon fruit egg. So let's get to work. Another fabric pot, a little bit of potting soil. Let's try to repot this thing. I'm gonna put a couple of these in the pot. I don't want too many growing. It doesn't make a lot of sense. So, try to regrow this one, that one, and let's see. Probably this one. Stuck me. I'll leave these in here. So I'm gonna let these grow, see where it goes, and I probably have to put them in a bigger pot, more soil. We'll see. It's supposed to take a really long time for them to grow, so we'll see how that works.